Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my trying on text. All right, take two. Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my trying a new makeup product every day series. Dexter is being so funny. So today I'm really excited to try out a new foundation. I feel like it's been a while since I tried out a foundation, and today I'm actually trying out a foundation from Shopmissa. This is the AOA Studio Pro Wear Full Coverage Foundation, and this foundation only cost $1.55. And I will say, like, it is a small foundation. It's 1 fluid ounce. But for that price, I am not mad about that. And it's interesting packaging. I don't think I've ever tried out a foundation out of a little squeezy bottle like this. This actually reminds me of like a baby doll's bottle, right? Isn't that exactly what it looks like? So this is cruelty free, and typically Shopmissa products are only $1, but occasionally they're slightly over $1, and that's because they're the charitable products. So this is the Paw Paw, which parts of the proceeds protect animals against abuse, which, how perfect. I have my pet right here that I rescued. So I love that part of this product's proceeds goes to charity. So I picked this up in the shade Porcelain, which is the lightest shade that they have. They actually have 15 shades. So let's see how this works. Yeah, it really is just like a squeeze dropper. So I'm gonna put some onto the back of my hand. Let's do like a pea size amount. And so since I'm testing this foundation out, I just did my regular skincare. I didn't use any particular primer. So the sponge that I'm using is actually from AOA Studio. It's the Silly Dip sponge, and I love this sponge. I've been using it every day for like a month now, but my only complaint about it is that the silicone section here does get stained. And it's not like it has product in it, because I have washed it, I've like squeezed it out, and there's no product coming out. So that's the only thing, is like, I don't like that it gets stained like that. But besides that, I love this sponge. So I'm gonna pick up some of the product and let's see how it looks. Oh my gosh. I am noticing amazing coverage right away. And this fairest shade called Porcelain is maybe too light for me. I feel like that rarely happens, but I'm actually kind of glad to see that. And it's really no issue if a foundation is too light for me. I can just actually have some from NYX. I have liquid foundation in a darker shade, so I can just add a drop of that into my foundation. That's what I typically do, like in the summer, if I need to darken up my foundation. I just add a drop of the darker foundation to make a custom shade. That way I don't have to buy too many different foundations. You just customize the one that you have. But wow, the coverage is looking so good. I definitely think that dollar store foundation has come a long way, and you can get coverage in your dollar store foundations. But I remember trying out like Dollar Tree Color Mates foundations, and there just being absolutely no coverage. And it kind of made me think that you can't get coverage in dollar store foundations, but this proves you can. And that pea size amount was enough to pretty much do my entire face. I'm just going to build it up a little bit more in certain areas. But it's so pigmented that a little goes a long way. Oh my gosh, I am so impressed by this. So this is supposed to have a semi-matte finish, and I'm definitely seeing that. I would describe it as a matte finish, but it doesn't look too drying. Just kind of go over my cheeks a little bit where I still have redness peeking through. Now this definitely is medium to full coverage. And I'm very picky with my foundations about how visible they are on the skin. And I will say, like this one, you can see the foundation. Like there's a little bit of cakiness to it, but you really have to be looking up close to see that. And this is just on its own. I didn't put like a hydrating smoothing primer or anything like that underneath. And it does still look pretty good, pretty smooth, even just on its own like this. And the coverage is awesome. This foundation really is impressing me. I'm not even that surprised, only because I know that AOA Studio makes fantastic products and fantastic complexion and concealer, foundation type products. So I kind of expected this to be really good since it's coming from AOA Studio. But still, just to think that this foundation cost $1.55 and it's better than so many more expensive foundations that I have tried out. I'm really excited to continue using this and trying it out with some different primers. But my first impression right now is that I'm very happy with it. So what I'm gonna do is continue wearing this foundation for the rest of the day, and I will let you know in the description down below my wear test results. So I'll let you know how this lasts, if it comes off, if it gets greasy. Right now it's definitely looking matte, but so I'll let you know if it dries out at all. Just all of those wear test results, I'll let you know in the description down below. And I really want to know in the comments down below if you have tried out this AOA Studio Pro Wear Foundation, what your thoughts are on it. Or I just really want to know also in the comments down below what your favorite dollar store or like very inexpensive, because I know this is more than $1. What are your favorite foundations that are really inexpensive? Thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video.